In this video, we will be going over propulsion blocks. And I already kind of went over what order blocks are. And all a propulsion block is, simply put, is an order block off of an order block. So obviously we know what a bullish order block looks like. It's basically when we have taken some sort of lower high or something, or maybe we're already in an uptrend, it doesn't matter. But as long as we took high or low at some point, and we get a red candle um, sandwich between two green candles that may look like this. So something like this. And then this is going to be your OB, your order block. Okay. So that's typically your order block. This is typically like the low. And when we close above that, that validates it. If we close like this, is this an order block? No, it's not. Now, a propulsion block is another one of these order blocks that are kind of formed off this. So let me show you something. Is this a propulsion block yet? Do we know for sure? No, because we don't have anything to validate this is an order block. To validate this is an order block, we need to see another green candle close above that. Okay, now this is a propulsion block. Now, typically off of propulsion block, you will see price accelerate very, very quickly. This is where we start really kind of spooling to the upside after propulsion block. So I'm going to show you two different examples. It's not going to be a very long video because some of you guys will use these, some of you guys won't care about them, but I still think they're good to know because some people might like them. You can see right here we have two green candles sandwiched between these two red candles, and at the same time we took out a liquidity pool. We took out this. Now we did displace above it decently, but I would say this definitely looks more bearish, especially after we put in kind of these two candles here. So we put in these two candles. I would consider this open right here, the order block, which that's where I would take a short. Obviously, we know that the whole candle is the order block from here to here. Honestly, it would be here to here or here to here. But again, to be more precise, I typically you want to short off the open of it. So right here. Okay. And then you can see we get two more green candles that reject this order block that all of a sudden becomes sandwiched in between two red candles. Now, do we know this is going to be a propulsion block right here? No, we do not, because we don't have a red candle here to validate it as a propulsion block. Do we have it now? Not yet, because we need to close below the last stop close candle. Now we have it. Now we're likely to reject it and go down. So do you see how this candle right here, this validates it and tells us, okay, we have our order block, we rejected it. Now we have a propulsion block. Now price should spool to the downside. So that's that. Okay. Now a bullish one, which I have marked, is going to be right here. So this is a order block right here. This is a red candle sandwiched between these two green candles. And at the same time, we take out some low. So this is a validated order block, especially after seeing us not really displace below its low. And the thing that's really bullish about this is we don't even have a candle close below the low. That's often a very bullish sign if we don't get a candle close below the low. So we get an order block, we react nicely out the order block, it reacts perfectly to the scent off of this wick, and then you can see we form another order block, another kind of red candle sandwiched between these two green candles, and it's not validated as a propulsion block here yet. Now it's validated as a propulsion block. The next candle that closes above it, now you can be like, okay, price should accelerate off this propulsion block, go to the upside. So you can kind of see how that works. So that's an example of a bullish propulsion block. It's just kind of an order block off of this other order block. And then same thing with a bearish propulsion block. So that's what a propulsion block is. These can be very useful if you want to know when price is going to accelerate. They're not as common as order blocks, but they're good to kind of just understand and know. So that is it for this video. Peace.